Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a speed run with this Gen 1 Cheetah and this DHK Maximus. So I'm going to explain what my setup is before I do the run. So the DHK Maximus is geared up with a 17 tooth pinion gear. Center diff is locked and it's running on Zombie 8E tires. And then with the Gen 1 Cheetah, it's stock gearing, running on the Proline 3.8 Badlands, and that's basically it. So this is going to be running 3S and this is going to be running 4S, and I'm going to be using a GPS app on my phone to monitor the speed. And the app is it's pretty darn accurate, because when I was driving over here I actually used it and it gave the same speed reading as what it was shown on my dashboard. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with the Maximus and then we'll go from there. Alright, here's the speed meter. Right now it's showing 0, and it's gonna show me the maximum miles per hour right here. Oops. So this was yesterday when I was running the this truck. It was at night too, so I couldn't really see, so I didn't really take it to its full potential. But today I'm gonna take it to its full potential. We've got a long stretch of road right here, so yeah, let's see what happens. And this is with the DHK Zombie tires, 17 tooth pinion gear, lock center diff. Now it's full throttle. Let it slow down and come back. The car's coming from the other side. And here we go. Alright, let's bring her back in and see what we got. So we got a total of, wow, 49.3 miles an hour. Holy smokes, I am freaking impressed. Lock center diff, 17 tooth pinion gear, 49.3 miles an hour. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's pretty wicked, man. The glare is pretty bad. Let's bring it over here. Alright, there it is, guys. 49.3 miles an hour. That's fast. That's almost the advertising speed, which is at 50. So yeah, if you guys want your Maximus to go advertising speed, you're gonna have to up the pinion gear. Alright, so now let's try the JLB Cheetah. Alright guys, we're gonna be running the Cheetah now. You can see it's at 0. The only thing with this truck is the 3.8 Badlands running on 3S versus the Maximus on 4S. And let's see if we could beat 49.3 miles an hour. Let's turn around and come back. Alright, let's wait for the car to pass and then we'll do another pass coming this way. Alright, let's go. That seemed like it could be 49 miles an hour. I think that's enough pass. Let's see what we got. The glare. $47.9 miles an hour. Dude, I am freaking impressed. On 3S stock gearing, all I did was put 3.8 Badlands. 47.9 miles an hour. This is so much faster than the 4S DHK Maximus. I mean, if you compare it to 4S and 3S, even though it was only maybe like 2 point something miles slower than the Maximus, this thing is fast, bone stock. Maximus, I had to put in a 17-tooth pinion gear and put some new tires for better gripping in order to get that speed. But this truck here, bone stock gearing, and it's really close to 50 miles an hour already, which is the advertising speed. So yeah, JLB Cheetah, thumbs up. Same with the Maximus, thumbs up, but you got to do stuff to it. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Alright, so we're back on the bench here, and I was really impressed with these two trucks and the speed that they gave off. Alright, so this speed here, 49.3, was from the DHK Maximus, and this speed, 47.9, was from the JLB Cheetah. Now, I could have gotten these to 50 miles an hour or even more, but there was stuff holding it back. So for example, the DHK Maximus, let me take this off so you guys can see the inside. So this truck has a 17-tooth pinion gear with the lock center diff running on the 2 stock batteries to make it 4S. And the issue I was having with this, the tires, these Zombie 8E tires, they're really great for bashing and stuff. But at high speed, it balloons like crazy, and then the handling was off when this thing started to balloon. So I'm pretty sure if I put on-road foam tires on here, I could definitely get over 50 miles an hour. And on top of that, these 2 batteries, it's almost at the end of its life, because I noticed that it was cutting in and out of voltage when I was running this truck. And I know that because I also use these batteries in these 2 trucks just to run it on 2S, and it did the same thing. It was cutting in and out, so that's how I knew it was the battery and it's not the ESC or the motor. But yeah, once I put foam tires on here, I'm certain this could go over 50 miles an hour. Alright, and then with the JLB Cheetah, let me show you the inside. So everything is stock motor, stock battery, 3S, stock gearing. And the only thing I did with this truck was 3.8 Badlands. And there was 2 things that was stopping this from reaching its maximum speed. One of the things is there's a whole lot of play in the wheels. Back wheels, front wheels, a whole lot of play. because originally I used this truck to bash, and with all that bashing it kind of loosened up a lot of stuff. So if I want more speed, I'm gonna have to get new arms, maybe even the hinge pin might be bent. And yeah, you see how there's a lot of play? I gotta eliminate all this play in order to get more speed, more traction, more handling. And on top of that, the second thing, the tires, they're coming apart. So they're not really making full contact with the road because they're flapping around. I didn't notice that until I brought it back in. But yeah, this truck was 47.9 miles an hour top. And I'm pretty sure I could get 50 and even over 50 if I fix all of this play stuff and put on some road tires. But yeah, man, today was a great day, great speed run. I'm really impressed with the speed I got from both trucks, and especially the Maximus. Man, this thing surprised me, it blew me away. I never knew this was gonna be as fast as these two trucks, coming in at 49.3 miles an hour. That is freaking fast. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, stay safe, and as always, cheers.